AI agents are coming for your industry. Here's who's first in line. The rise of autonomous AI agents is set to revolutionize how businesses operate. With some agents, the AI buzzword of the moment, work autonomously, utilizing external tools to perform complex tasks with far less human direction needed. They're capable of working 24/7 without breaks, don't get sick, and won't down tools overpay. If the big players in a sector, such as finance, healthcare, or manufacturing, aren't confident that they're covered against anything going wrong, they won't feel confident implementing agentic AI. Get the latest news on special offers, product updates, and content suggestions from Forbes and its affiliates. Businesses need to see a path to demonstrable, measurable benefits, such as cost savings, efficiency gains, or customer experience improvements. They will invest when they have a clear view of this. The effect of this is that businesses with less measurable key metrics, education, government, or social care, for example, may find it challenging to identify and define business cases. These are the types of industries where its impact on other softer metrics could be substantial. For example, a reduction in hours spent on marking papers by teachers could mean more hours spent face-to-face with students. For leaders in these fields, finding the business cases is a particularly pressing challenge. If they don't want to miss the revolution, are we ready? There are two parts to this: technological readiness and cultural readiness. Tech readiness means having access to the infrastructure, data, platforms, and tools, and many people consider that to be the easier part. Cultural readiness covers a vast spectrum, from skill sets and the ability to build a workplace where continuous learning and training are valued to establishing trust in the way technology will grow the business to the ability to deploy AI agents strategically in alignment with business goals. Many companies may be technologically capable of deploying AI agents, but lack the cultural framework needed to do it safely and effectively, or vice versa. Industries that might face challenges integrating agentic AI for these reasons include those where there may be a fear that AI threatens human redundancy, for example, in the legal or media fields. Sectors that are encumbered with legacy systems or have traditionally found it difficult to attract tech talent, such as government, public sector, and utilities. On the other hand, industries and sectors that are well positioned to move first include opportunity. Those organizations that have spent the previous decades investing first in computers, then the internet, cloud computing, and eventually AI, have a clear head start. But that doesn't mean anyone has to be left behind. And understanding the challenges and opportunities today should be a priority for anyone wanting to benefit from it tomorrow.